An electric actuator, it is a device which uses electric energy in order to create movement or mechanical action. And the basic working principle of this is, here the electrical or electric actuators, these are usually powered by the electric motors, and these motors will produce the torque, that is nothing but a rotational force, which in turn moves the motor shaft and will create motion or perform the switching actions. Okay. Now here one example is when you switch a fan, the electricity rotates the motor. So this is similar to the electric actuators work. Okay. Now here you can see this is the simple working diagram of the electric actuator, where you are giving a electrical input to an electric motor which will produce a torque. So this will in turn it will be given to the gear or the screw mechanism, where it transfers the movements, and thus will be having a output motion which will be in the form of linear or rotary motion. Now the types of motion which are produced here in electric actuators are the rotary motion, then you have linear motion and the switching action. So rotary motion, it is like rotating movement, and example here is the motor shaft rotation. Then you have the linear motion, this is a straight movement, wherein one example is using the screw or gear mechanisms. Then you have switching action, it is like turning the devices on or off like the relays. Now some practical example, or one practical example here is the solenoid valves which control the water flow in the pipes. Okay, so here these will control the water flow in the pipes, and when an electric signal it is given, the valve opens or closes automatically. That is one example for electric actuators. Now these electric actuators have some advantages, like it is low cost, then clean operation, fast response and easy control. Low cost because it is usually cheaper compared to the hydraulic systems, and also here there is no usage of oil or air which may cause the leakage, and the response is very fast, that is it is very quick and precise. In hydraulic actuators it was not so fast. Now ease of control is, it is very simple to operate using the electrical signals. Now some real life examples are automatic doors, then you have electric car windows, robotic arms, smart home devices and water control valves. So this is about the electric actuators.